after the destructive storm, Hermine or Hermine, and I'm not sure why it's still raining pretty hard at the moment. It started probably like maybe 10 minutes ago, and it looks like it's going to stop anytime soon, but we'll see. You must be crazy.
Not that hard.
Yeah, but you still can get wet with that little umbrella. Look at how much water is coming down from there. I wonder where it is. I'm gonna take my umbrella and go take a little look. Oh my gosh, I chose the wrong flip-flop to wear. So this is not good. Well, this is terrible. I'm not sure I like this. I think I just saw lightning. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see, but that specific area right there is flooded. There goes our Saturday. I mean, it's only 10 minutes to 11 o'clock, but I feel like this is sort of setting the mood for the entire day. And it's kind of depressing, as much as I love the rain. I love listening to the rain when I go to sleep, but I don't like it when they ruin my daily activities. Because I'm gonna go to the park, cannot really travel anywhere in this kind of weather. I think I am going to take advantage of the rain with little peace and quiet to start planning for my travel in about 2 weeks. It's gonna be really fun, and I've been so busy with work recently, haven't had time to do any extra planning yet. Hopefully the rain will stop completely soon so that I can do something this weekend instead of just staying inside trying to avoid this weather. I will see you guys in the next one with hopefully a more of an eventful video instead of just rain and rain. I am out of here.